Hey everyone, today I'm going to give you a quick tutorial on how to use Udimi to find solo ad providers that are actually legit. So what I normally do is I go to find sellers and I set up some parameters here. Like the most I want to pay is 55 cents. They have 30% sales. You can pick a niche here. I say any niche just in case. Ratings at least 50 and sales are up. So let's look at this guy here, Kevin Hanson. You'd pay 47 cents a click on average, and he's got a 32% sales conversion. So let me show you what that means. So we scroll down, and what you want to do is look here for got sales. And you want to make sure that he's had some recently. Now, I'm not loving this because he's got one sale here, and everyone else says no sales. So his recent traffic has not converted the way I would like. So what I do is I go back and let's look at another one. And Leah Malasa, never heard of her, but let's look at sales. One sale there, 3 in a row here. It's a possibility. So let's say you wanted to use her for solo ads. I would go for a minimum amount of visitors, let's say 200 visitors at $97. I only go for top tier traffic, okay? And that makes it a little more expensive, that's fine. So then you test her. You'd have her send the clicks and see what your conversions are. You're looking at the number of opt-ins and the number of sales that you get from that 200 visitors. If it's a very low opt-in or there's no sales, I would never use her again. If it got sales, then I would bump this up, let's say to 500 visitors. I would test it again. Did it make sales? What was the opt-in rate? Now, what some of these people do is they'll get you sales in the beginning and then they give you crappy traffic afterwards. That's what you always test. Start low, then increase, test again, increase, test again, until either continues to work for you or it stops working for you. If it stops, go to another vendor and rinse and repeat this exact technique. And that's how you find solo ad vendors that will actually convert for you on Udimi. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.